Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your name where we can check your account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout. We also have the store and we have your marketing, which you can check all in the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to your account settings in the top left corner, click on that, your name, and click on account settings. And here guys, as you can see, you have a lot of things here. So you have your account settings, which you can go and click on here. You have, as you can see, 4 languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, or French. You just need to click there and then just go and update and save that. But if you want to change your store settings, go to your store settings. So going into your store, then scroll to language settings and select a language. And then of course, go and change your language as you did here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.